Welcome back to my new video. Maybe my voice is not so proper today because of the cough and cold, but I am still making a video for you because I want that you should speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker. So what is important to speak in English? It is vocabulary, reading, listening, speaking. So the first and basic thing which is required, which is the foundation of any language, so that is vocabulary. Even you want to learn German, French, Japanese, Chinese, Latin language, any other language you want to learn, you have to learn a vocabulary of that language. And the vocabulary of English is very very important to improve your English. And I would like to tell you one more thing. There are the two countries in the world which is where the people mostly speak English. First is London, as we all know that, where the English is born. English is the language which came from the England and it spread all over the world. That is why it has become global language. And the second city is New York City in United States, which is the second most English speaking city. So let's start today's video with some interesting and new advanced words. So the first word for the day is profuse, flowing, extravagant. When we gave Marian our house, our car and our clothes, her gratitude was profuse. Proletariat, industrial working class. The proletariat is the laboring class. Proliferate, spread or grow rapidly. Honeybees proliferated when we filled our yard with flowering plants. Prolific, abundantly productive, fruitful or fertile. Promulgate, proclaim. The principal promulgated a new dress code over the loudspeaker system. Propensity, natural inclination. Jesse has a propensity for saying stupid things. Propitious, marked by favorable signs. Rush hour is not a propitious time to drive into the city. Proponent, advocate. Proponent and opponent are antonyms. Proprietary, characteristics of an owner of property. To take a proprietary interest in something is to act as though you own it. Propriety, properness, good manners. The old lady viewed the little girl's failure to courtesy as a flagrant breach. Prosaic, unimaginative. His description of the battle was so prosaic that it was hard for his listeners. Proscribe, outlaw, to prohibit. Spitting on the sidewalk and shooting at the road signs were both proscribed. So friends, we have done today's session of English learning, basically vocabulary. Now what you need to do after that, write down these words with meaning and try to make a sentence, and please tell me in the comment section how many sentences you have made, and try to use these words while speaking. You should do other things like also reading every day. Reading should be your habit, because without reading you cannot be successful in English speaking journey. Read English newspaper every day at least for 45 minutes. Listen English media. Listen news channels like BBC, CNN. There are lots more English channels, but I basically prefer BBC. So because why I prefer BBC? Because the news representative, those who work in BBC, are excellent English speaker. If a human of English born country can speak in English, so you can also. It is just a process, a learning process. And finally, speak up. Speak with your friends, with your neighbors, those who can understand. Speaking with your professors, speak with your teachers, practice more and more, because when you will learn more and more, you will grow more and more, and you will open a new opportunity for you, like getting a job in corporate, or if you want to go for overseas studies. English is again very very important, because without English you cannot survive and you cannot go. So if you really want to achieve the success in your life, English is very very important. So I hope you will like the video of today. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.